How to manage your account security on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your account security on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy right here, and it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is choose the second option. It's security and account access. Click on it, and now you will find three options here. Choose the first one, which is security. Now as you can see right here, you can enable the two-factor authentication. It's like two-step verification, so your account will be more secured and more safe. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.